Hey guys, I just want to make a video really quick to share my opinion on what I think is going on with Bitcoin. A few of you have been asking me uh, what I think about this price action. I think that we will be revisiting the weekly range lows pretty soon. Um, so I do think that we'll be at anywhere from 28 to 31,000 again. And if we were to revisit that area, I do expect a breakdown, so I would think that it would be something like this, right? Now, I had a bullish argument, and my bullish argument was that as long as we stay above $32,000, that there is a possibility we could see 41 to $45,000, and I still stand by that argument. Um, so, as you can see back here, it consolidated and it respected that level and it pushed up to $57,000. Now, right here where we're at right now, um, still respecting $32,000, but like I said, I think we'll see a breakdown soon. So that's what I think. Now, if we were to break down, oh yeah, we're down 56% from the highs. It's natural to see 30 to 40% drops in a bull run, but 56% is a little too crazy to me, to be honest. Um, Back in 2019, we saw a 75% drop from 13,000 to 3,500. If that were to happen again, it would put a Bitcoin at about $15,000 to $16,000. Now, also, I just remembered, Crypto Cactus. He's this. It's this guy on crypto Twitter, and he pretty much shares his ideas. He's a pretty good trader. If you don't know who he is, you should definitely check him out. But he posted a chart just recently that said, "What would you do if Bitcoin touched the 200 moving average?" So if Bitcoin were to touch the 200 moving average, it would put it at about $15,000 to $16,000, and it does coincide with what I just said about Bitcoin dropping 75% from what we hear from here to here and from here to possibly here, right? But I guess we'll see what happens. Let me know what you guys think though. I'm genuinely interested to see what your plan of action is and what you guys are looking out for right now in the market.